Hi, my name is Asha Jyothi. I am 2025 ECE graduate from Gandhi Memorial College of Engineering and Technology from Andhra Pradesh. I have more passion on embedded systems to enhance my skills. So I joined in IIES in Bangalore. That institute provides a perfect blend for theoretical and practical knowledge on C++, Python, Linux and ARM, and having hands-on experience with UART, SPI CAN protocols. Apart from this, mentors helped me a lot for the placement and very supportive to clear our doubts with patience. So with the help of IIES guidance and placement support, I got placed on Hummingbird Tek Systems. So I truly recommend to everyone who are looking to enhance their skills to join IIES, which shapes my career.